Today we gotta be sneaky. We gotta be quiet. And so, we gotta be quiet. So, you better shush yourself in the comments. You better remind your fellow commenters to be quiet. Because we need to be quiet. And so, obviously, we gotta go to the quiet neighborhood. Which is, which is the Park Pass. And this time, I'm gonna try a medium difficulty. I might die because I'm trying to be quiet. So, guys, and girls, we gotta be sneaky. So let's start with a ninja. They're really quiet. You're not a very quiet ninja, but that doesn't matter. This is like kind of ASMR-ish. I hope you people like that. It's boring, Borl. That was just a demonstration for all you that are interested. Put the demonstration on hold. Back to the sneaky ASMR. I want to stop doing that because that's probably disturbing. It was just meant to be funny, guys. Please don't leave. What do they do? Okay. Let's get them speedy. All sorts of speed in this one. And I forget their upgrades, but I don't want to keep looking at them. Let's get let's get you. Oh yeah. In case any lead balloons sneak through. I don't know if I'm quiet or loud. I feel like I should turn it down a little bit more. I hope that doesn't bother you. I don't hear any jazz. This seems like it's a good strategy. Don't you think? I think so. You should post your opinions down below so that I can learn, because I'm still a noob. Bing bong. The ninja seems like a very fun tower. But you know what else is fun? Submarines. Do you know why they're fun? That's why they're fun. Not this time. So, I'm thinking that I'm gonna get some of these, which don't seem very useful, but then I can get the flash bomb and flash some balloons. It can also pop lead, in case you didn't know that. The flash bomb is an actual bomb, and not just a flash. So its name is a little bit misleading. It flashes the balloons because the balloons have sensitive eyes. They're like gamers. They don't go outside and see the sun. And so when you flash them and their little balloon eyes, they like squint, and because they're squinting, it causes the balloon to pop. And so, if you make even the toughest balloons squint, they go, oh, and it's gone. Just like that. And so, we gotta do that. Look at that. He also gets a cool mask. See, why would we need a cannon when we could just flash bomb it up? I got a lot of lead popping power. I don't think I need heat darts for the submarine. Whoa. Try me in next game. Why not now? I don't even have a hero down. But he's cool. I should probably place him down. Here. That's right. Now let's get ourselves some airburst darts. Because they're fun. They're like little shotguns. And while we're at it, we should get something also fun. You know what else is fun? It's really super duper fun. That way, we don't need to worry about balloons sneaking through. Because they just pop themselves. I also did this because I wanted to level it up. While we're at it, let's check what else we need to level up desperately. Really quick, I promise it won't take long. Now that I see, I will proceed to immediately forget. I want the red hots, so that way I don't need to worry about the spooky and equally scary lead balloons. Even though we have so much lead popping power, I still want more layers of protection to fuel my everlasting ego. That was a joke. So you better take it like a joke. Now let's get some super monkeys, because they are cool and they are super. And I want to level them up so that they get more super abilities. We're about to finish the easy mode, but luckily we're not playing easy mode. We're playing medium mode. Helicopters fly in the sky with their propellers. There we go. Now I don't need to control it anymore. I want laser blasts. Laser blasts are fun. It's expensive, but it's cool. But for some reason, it doesn't pop lead. And I don't know why. Like, you're shooting lasers. Why don't lasers pop lead? Like, the next one pops lead, but why not the red lasers? They look like they should pop lead. Look how, cool they look. They do a lot of damage, though, so I'll respect them for that. Ooh, fortified balloons. I didn't read it, but because I already know what they are. But to all of you that don't know, they have more health. History lesson over. Do you see how it took more than one bomb to kill those fortified lead balloons? Money! Sticky bombs. Let's get Shinobi. He even said yes. He's so kind. Boom. Look at that. Now we have a better boomerang to defend our flank. Balloon sabotage. Because if you ever play Battlefront 2, sabotage is a very useful ability for space battles. Just a random fact I thought I would share for fun. Now let's throw some random guys for some last minute XP. Just so that we can level him up and have more fun later. Well, that's a dumb idea. You're wasting money yet you could be spending on upgrades. Well, it's fine. I'm not that worried. Because I have an excuse. I'm playing on medium difficulty. And medium difficulty is very hard. The hardest ever, in fact. Only less so than hard mode, which is the hardest. Ooh, plasma. I want plasma. I now have plasma. Thank you for your very interesting tip. I will not proceed to ignore it. I've made a mistake, realizing that I don't have centered path, and now he's in a very not useful location. Luckily, though, it might not take very long to unlock centered path. I will now give my ice monkey a gun. I don't even have a dart monkey down. Why don't I have a dart monkey down? I don't know. Let's play some dart monkeys down. We might need a dart monkey down. Camo rushes are scary. I don't think I've even ever used the bottom one. What's the bottom one? It's just the spikes. The bottom one might be good, I just never use it, because, I mean, you know, it's just spamming the area with burny hot spikes is such a fun thing to do. Oh god. Triple shot. How long is it going to take to unlock centered path? We're close. Last minute XP. Last minute XP. Last minute XP. The final wave, and we get centered path. We can't even buy it, but we have it now. I am the best at this game. I placed 23 towers. And that was medium difficulty. I am still not getting this. I hope that this was a lesson to not trust boring Borl, because I'm not done yet. I'm going to play another level. This level has a floaty balloon. We already did that. This level was just unlocked. But we're not doing that because I want to play it's Halloween-y time. And I'm going to do a challenge. You see, at the start of the video, I mentioned that I forgot something. That's not what I actually mentioned. But let's get
the spirits of the forest awaken.
Let's get him. Go to Halloween-y land and try to be quiet. How will we be quiet? Obviously, with the forest.
Nature's revenge shall be swift.
Because the forest is a silent place. I like getting these. I don't remember anything about him. I'll do that because Monkey Pirate is fun. Anyway, like I was saying, we are going to try to be sneaky. And so we're only going to use ninjas. And ninjas hide in the forest. So I brought him. Not all ninjas do, but the good ones do. If you know a ninja that doesn't hide in the... If you know a ninja that doesn't hide in the forest and spends all day streaming, he's not a good ninja. Like if you get... That was a funny joke. Like both of them were. Now let's see how quiet we can be. There we go. That's some ambient fog. Because it looks nice. He leveled up. Now let's place ninja. Yeah, we'll place a ninja here. We'll get a flash bomb. We'll get 2 flash bombs, actually. Because flash bombs are cool. And flash bombs is probably the only reason why I ever used the Caltrops ability. Or however you pronounce those. I want to call them Caltrops. I can also call them Caltrops. But Caltrops sound better.
I'm waiting.
Are you? We're going to get some flash bombs. At least at the beginning area. These first 2 guys will have flash bombs that way, and if any leads come through, they'll get booped. I don't know if Mr. Greenfoot here pops leads. I don't remember. And I don't want to go checking through all of his abilities, because that takes time. And time sucks. I'm also going to hide this guy in the corner, because he's related to the forest. And so we'll at least try to level him up, even if he doesn't do anything. That guy down there is waiting. What are you talking about? Hold on. We'll get these abilities just to make this guy strong. So, my genius plan is to put ninjas around the smiley face and make the smiley face a dangerous place. We'll have ninjas with the middle abilities, which I can't show. Oh, I can't. The distraction. It'll push the balloons away and make them still stuck on the smiley spot. But for now, I want at least 1 flash bomb here. Near the beginning. That way, leads will get bonked. Because leads are slow, so there's a small chance they'll be running away. But in case they do run away, I'll increase his firing speed. So he throws more bombs. I keep forgetting to hit that ability on the bottom left. Don't make fun of me. Ninja. 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 We'll start with 3. This plan's probably useless, because the game's about to end. But who knows, maybe it might be useful. They could also strip camo, but it doesn't really matter since we're using only ninjas. I almost placed a guy that isn't a ninja. He's a non-believer. He definitely has the bedhead of a streamer. He's definitely that fake streamer ninja. Not all of them, though. That gives Alchemist a bad name. If my plan doesn't work because the game ends too soon, we might try doing this on a higher difficulty some other time. Whoa, they got some hits. I got an idea. Let's get a guy that throws more than 1 shuriken over here. Just in case we need him. Because he's super strong. And he's also helping us by throwing lots of shurikens, not shurikens, caltrops around. There we go. I can speak. Now let's see if we can squeeze Bloon Jitsu last minute to make him super strong. Ooh, it's a lot of balloons coming now. Ooh, we might actually get to see some action. Oh, we're definitely seeing some action now. And now let's make him super strong. Can they beat their biggest enemy? The real challenge begins. Oh, they did it! We were sneaky! Oh, there we go. I even got an achievement called Monkey Avenger League, which is win the game with 4 different heroes. That's right. Heroes. I haven't... I'll think about this later. That was pretty cool. Ooh, money! That's my reward for making a great video. And this great video now has to end.